Hello, 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 guys. It's Joshua here again. This is Saturday morning in Nigeria. The time here is currently like 9:42 a.m. Today I'm going to be doing an analysis on VIX 75, Volatility Index 75. You can see it right here, VIX 75 index. This market is like on for about like 7 days, a week, like no sleeping, nothing. Monday you can trade it, on Saturday you can trade it, on Sunday you can trade it like every day. So I'm going to be doing an analysis on here, probably, if if you watch carefully, you might be able to capture how I trade these markets. I wouldn't say it is a pair because it's just like, it. So, okay, I'm going to delete all these, everything. I'm going to delete everything, all these lines and everything, and start all over again. These are like, I do trade pure price action though. These are moving averages you see here. I just put them there as a confluence. I don't trade based on them. I don't take signals based on them, or don't depend on them for signals, as you can see. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and leave a like on this video. And also drop a comment on what you think about the video and what you guys would like me to talk about next. The video you guys would like me to update next. So let's get started. I'm going to the daily. I'm going to daily right there. Daily. Yeah, this is the daily. So I'm going to do my analysis, like top-down analysis. Most of you guys already know what top-down analysis is. If you don't already know it, it's more like a process by which you analyze markets from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, and you take trades based on your top-down analysis. So guys, I'm going to be marking up these support and resistance zones. If you guys would like me to post, I think I did post a video on how to identify support and resistance zone like few days or weeks ago. So you guys can go check it out on my profile, and probably if it's not that much clear, I can do another video about how you can find these support and resistance zones. So guys, if you want that video, then just leave a comment. You can leave a comment. I will happily do that. I will do a video. Happily do a video. So guys, this is the horizontal line right here. Yeah, you can see the horizontal line. So this I'm going to be marking up these support and resistance zones, and this you can see here, it is a trading view. This is the binary stuff of trading view. So yeah, I'm going to be locking, stay in drawing mode so that I don't go okay and clicking. So yeah, I'm going to mark this up. So I'm going to put in my level right here. So you might be wondering, why did I put it my resistance level there? Why don't I pick it up here? But look at this, market broke out of this place, retested, rejected, and closed up above here that day. I think this was a weekend gap or daily gap or something. Then following the market gap below and close here, you can see market going back to retest it, which means this area right here is a level of support and resistance. You can see this support, resistance there, and that. So yes, this is how. See this, bam, another level right there, another level right there. That is another level of support and resistance. You see this, it was support here, rejected, went up, rejected a little bit, then boom, gap. The next day and closed below, went up. This was like a gap or something, so I don't take that. as the level. This is the actual level right here. So you see this, I'm going to be putting this again. Boom. See this resistance, support. A little bit of support here, broke below resistance, boom, boom, boom. You can see it there. So I'm going to try and make this video as quick as possible so I don't sound boring or something. Yeah. Boom. This is the level. You can see it right there. Boom, boom, boom. You can see the touches. You see the touches right there. So this is the level. Boom. So you might be wondering like, why didn't I put the level around here? Yes, there is also a level right there, but you see this level? It was valid. As you can see, look to the left. So you see the market broke above. See the rejection wicks, broke below, retested, rejected, and boom. Retested and it respected. You see this level here? It also broke above, retested our support before going up. So I'm going to be putting my next level around this area. Yes, this area. First of all, one thing you guys have to know, this level of support and resistance are a zone. They are not straight lines. So you might be like, okay, it touched here, it touched here, it touched here, but why didn't I put the line below here? This is the same zone. This level of support and resistance is around this area. So I might like put two lines here, like, okay, let's see, this is the zone, but that may be kind of confusing. So just know that this is the zone. Most times, the market will not hit the zone, the line before rejecting, and it is normal because these zones are a zone, not a straight line. So done on the daily. So this is what matters now. I don't like okay, I don't need to go back to this level and start going like this is where market is currently at, and this is where my focus should be. So guys, yeah, we've done the markups on the daily time frame. Now we need to go to the 4 hours time frame. I don't use the 8 hours because MT4, MT5 don't trade at 5 don't have the 8 hours. I have not seen it there. So I'm heading towards the 4 hours right now. 4 hours right now, and let's see what we have on the 4 hours. Yes, you can see this. You can see this like guys. This market, this volatility 75 index is a trending market. It trends like forever. It always trends. You see this? See this uptrend here, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So it's always trending, and this market is very respectful when it comes to support and resistance. If you know this support and resistance strategy, man, works. It works. And one thing I've learned about this volatility 75 index, if it is in an uptrend, it moves like super fast than in a downtrend. You can see this. You can see like you can scroll back and be like, okay, you see this? It had more defined levels than this trend here or like this trend here. You see this moving retested, broke out above, retested the previous high right there. You see this? Market went down, retested the previous level on here. You see, market broke out, retested the previous level here. You can see this here. Retested, but booming up again, bam, bam, bam. You see that? So that is how this market works. This market is super wonderful. Most of you be like, okay, I think I can trace based off the moving averages, like when it crosses like that. No. You don't want to do that because most times it fakes you out. It fakes you out. Like see this right here. You see the blue line is the smaller moving average, smaller time period moving average is still above, but the market has already been selling for days. So for me as a price action trader and adding moving average as a confluence, I would have entered the trade around here. Here I wouldn't enter just like above there. Why? Because I would just like wait for market to push below. As you can see, this level it was tested, broke out, we tested this level. You see it right there. We tested this level, and not only did it test that level, I'm your candle is big so you guys can see it. So you guys can it was high, man. You see that it formed a support level around there. Yeah, it formed a support level around there. You can see it to the left here. It formed a resistance, broke out, tested that support, broke below, retested not just this line but also the resistance level, and boom, I would have been a good trade, and I would have taken my profit at this next level right here. Like this market is super volatile. If most of you have traded like US 500, this is like even much more crazier than the US 500. US 500 moves like thousand plus pips a day. Yeah, moves 1,000, even more a day. This market moves thousands, and I mean thousands of pips, real thousands of pips a day. So well, the zones did hold, as you can see. Yes, they make sense. Yeah, the zones are, most when you go to the lower time frames, you can see these fake outs or breakouts or probably retest at the trend line. On the higher time frame, uh, these are just weeks. Most of these are weeks, but when you go to the lower time frame, those weeks they turn into candles. That is why you need to do your analysis from the top to the down. Let's say if I have to do my analysis on like the 4 hours, I'll be like marking up every place on here, like zone. This is a zone, this is a zone, this is a zone. No. It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that for the volatility index 75. No, I don't do that. But in Forex, most times you have to also mark up the minor zones, because those zones can really kick you in the butt if you forsake them. So yeah, okay. Let's go to the 1 hour right now. Everything makes sense on there. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. Let's see what the 1 hour has in store for us. I'm going to like, okay. So guys, this is practically the strategy I use. This is strategy I use. So I'm going to come back here a little, okay. So it's now come down to the 1 hour. You can see all these guys poking out of the line. So I need to like put a line on there. Okay, let me use the horizontal ray line here. I'm going to like mark them out. So most times when it breaks out and like doesn't like turn back from this zone, then I know probably it will come here first or something. Okay, yeah. Now we are getting, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Sorry guys. Okay, right there. So these area are the zones. Like I told you before, these levels, these supporting resistance level, they are not straight lines. The other element that tells you like, whoa, market touches that face, it must reverse, and that is the zone right there, the zone, the level right there, the magic level right there, man. You better get yourself a better mentor, man. These zones don't work like that. These zones don't work like that. Like my mentor always said, he said that these zones, they are like hot fry pan. So there's a higher tendency that when market reaches these major levels, it turns back, because previously the market has reversed from that place. So there's a lot of tendency that the market may also reverse from that area. So this is what we are looking at, hopefully. Like this market has reversed here like 3 to 4 times. So with a high probability that it might, considering that it's almost at the high, almost at the peak. This is the peak right here. I think it's around somewhere here because of the weak stuff. Let's say this zone right here is the peak. So the market decides to break out and retest, and which here there is like a lot of possibilities that it may return. But for now, we are just looking at this level. So yeah, let me mark this up for you guys. Something about trend lines. Trend lines are really useful in the market. So yes, let me draw something like this. Let me draw something like this. Like, okay, this is it. see, be like wondering that why did I draw my trend line here instead of drawing something like this? Instead of drawing something like this, and yeah, you are also right, but some of these trend lines are meant to be broken sometimes, and marketing just move the other way when it breaks out of it. So that is why you need to be very watchful. Like look at here, look something here now. Probably you are like trend line, trend line or something. You'll be like, okay, market just broke out of the trend line. I'm waiting for a retest. Yeah, market did give you a retest on here, but if you had bought and like, okay, let me target the previous high, probably your trade would have been something like this. Let's say, okay, test it here, then like my stop level around there, then my stop level around here is at the low of the previous area, then like my target at this previous line. Yeah, you see that? Well, it would have almost been right, but they're still in a downtrend. You can't be looking for buys in a downtrend, nor sales in an uptrend. Like, see this right here. I think I took a trade. Like somewhere around this area. I did trade like a buy limit. I placed market was I think above this area, so I placed a buy limit at this bottom, and my profit target was at this. I think somewhere around here. Yes, my profit target was somewhere around there. Then my stop somewhere below the previous one right there. So I think I get like 1 to 4 point something. That was how my trade went on how this B75. So this market, you can see, I learned this from a guy on YouTube. This guy is like crazy, man. This guy is like crazy. Most of you guys have heard about him. He's Nick Sean, man. That guy like shares his stuff, like 90% of his stuff for free. Yeah, he's not my mentor. He's not my mentor though. I have my own mentor, but like after learning from my mentor and looking at this guy's stuff, I was like, okay, I think I can take something out of what this guy is teaching and add it to what I have learned from my mentor. I did that, and man, it was super, super, super wonderful. It was extremely wonderful, man. It was extremely wonderful. I'm happy I did that. So you can see here, price was already making higher highs and higher lows. You see that? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, low, and more higher high, higher low. So you'll be like, okay, now your buyer is supposed to like, okay, I think I will be looking for a buy. Then you would just look at the moving average. Okay, the moving average has crossed, which means my bias on this may probably be confirmed. But you now wait, okay, let me mark out this level and okay, this market is going up. So I'll wait for a breakout and retest. And yes, you did get the breakout and retest. It happened. And you can see market like, okay, maybe if you're not too good with that, you say, okay, let me just wait for another one to make sure the market is making higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, the momentum started was increasing. That is why you can see little retracement here, little correction or retracement moves on here. You can see, look to the left. This zone was a valid one. So the valid one, you see, reflected here, and then also you could just take it to buy on here. My target is always at the previous level. Little pips or few pips below the previous level, and I would have okay. My stop would have been so around this. Let's see, below that level, that clear level is more visible than this one. So market will have to fight this guy here, kill it, then come to this guy, fight it, kill it before it can touch my stop loss zone. Stop loss zone. Look at this, like thousands of pips, man. This market is like crazy, man. Thousands of pips. Yeah, thousands of pips. The smallest with the smallest lot size, you traded this man, you'll be like over $500 in profit or 1K. It's one less lot size. They offer micro lot size, and their micro lot size is almost as big as sorry, I mean nano lot sizes. They do offer nano lot sizes, and the nano lot sizes are big as almost like mini in Forex or even the standard lot size in Forex. So that out of the way, I'm going to mark up this level. Okay, I'm going to just mark this level around here. Yes, okay, marking this up. So, guys, what I am expecting right now, before my buyers will change from a sell to a buy to a sell, I need to see something like this happening, like this level, this support level that has been created here. The market is actually fighting very hard to pass this level, but it may hold. Nobody knows. It may hold. It may hold. It may just pull back, come back, retest this level before we can do something like this. Let's see. Do something like this. Like come here, retest, break out, retest this level, then like boom, break out. So when it does retest this level, I'll be much more confident to exit a sell, probably at somewhere this level. Why would I wait for that? Why don't I just enter from here? Yeah, I can be aggressive sometimes, but not always. So why would I be waiting for that? Because by doing so, the market has formed a lot of lower lows and lower high structure, which are for confirmation for a downtrend. If to break out to retest that level, it has formed like one, two lower lows and two lower highs. I mean, and two lower lows, which is a good confirmation to enter in a sell. Then my stop will be like above here or something, above this level and around here, above here. So it will have to like break through this one before coming to reach my stop. Whenever I reach my stop, then it may just decide to go to the upside. So that is my thoughts. Probably before it gets to this low here, the moving average must have crossed. The moving average must have crossed to a sell, so that would be something. But for now, no, I am just neutral. Bias is neutral on this one. I'm not on the sell, I'm not on the buy. I'm just like chilling and looking at the charts and see what happens. It's like the 1 hour, so I take my trades based off on the 1 hour. Some people do 15 minutes, and no, I don't. For me, just 1 hour, simple. Doesn't look too messed up and everything. So guys, this is the video for today. This is the video for today. This is the video for today. This is the video for today, guys. So these are my thoughts on these V75 Volatility 75 index. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, once again, please do so. Do subscribe to my channel. Leave a like, turn that like button blue, turn it blue, and also leave a comment on what you guys they would like to see next. Just leave a comment and I'll try my best and do that for you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace out, guys. God bless y'all for stopping by. Thanks.